The first woman to serve on Wisconsin's Supreme Court died this weekend at the age of 87. Adam Duxter explores Shirley Abrahamson's accomplishments for more than 40 years on the bench.
I think this is the first time I'm presiding as Chief Justice of the state. So I hope we don't mess up.
Archive video from 1996 shows the first time Justice Shirley Abrahamson took charge of Wisconsin's top court as Chief Justice. But her journey started 20 years prior, when in 1976, she became the first woman, period, to serve as a Wisconsin Supreme Court Justice. Born in New York City in the 1930s, Abrahamson received degrees from both NYU and Indiana School of Law, before earning a doctorate in juridical science from the University of Wisconsin School of Law in 1962. News 3's Linda Egger sat down with both Abrahamson and the man she would replace during her inauguration nearly 25 years ago.
She'll make an excellent Chief Justice, and I predict that this court, under her, has got a great future in front of it.
She served on Wisconsin Supreme Court from 1976 to 2018, 43 years, the longest term in the court's history. During that time, she wrote more than 450 majority opinions and participated in more than 3,500 decisions, but also wrote a new history for equality in Wisconsin, saying this about former Chief Justice Edward Ryan, who roughly 100 years prior had refused a female lawyer access to the court.
His bust is out in the front room, and I pass it every day when I come to my office, and I nod to him, and I think he probably nods back, and he's smiling.
Well, in 2018, both announcing that she would not be seeking re-election while also sharing her diagnosis of pancreatic cancer. She's survived by her husband of 54 years and one son.
Governor Evers says he was devastated to learn of Abrahamson's death. Releasing a statement this afternoon, Evers said her legacy is defined not just by being a first, but by paving and lighting the way for many women and others who would come after her. U.S. Senator Tammy Baldwin called Abrahamson a true public servant and said that over her 4 decades on the court, she served the people of Wisconsin as an independent, fair, and impartial justice.